Hello viewer, welcome to the YouTube channel FahadYounas. Today I will discuss the topic cell biology, cell reproduction, mitosis. Table of content: cell, cell reproduction, mitosis, interphase, prophase, metaphase, anaphase, teleophase, cytokinesis. Cell. Point 1. It is the smallest unit that contains all living beings. Our body is composed of billions of them. Point 2. Like all living things, they perform vital functions. They are born, they are fed to grow and carry out their functions, such as reproduction and death. Point 3. They contain hereditary material and can make copies of themselves through two processes called mitosis and meiosis. Cell reproduction. Point 1. It is a fundamental process to create life occurring in all forms of it, ensuring the property of their existence as well as growth, tissue replacement, and reproduction in multicellular organisms. Point 2. It is known as cell reproduction or cell division. Is the stage in the cell cycle where each cell divides to form two daughter cells. There are three biological mechanisms of cell reproduction: binary fission, meiosis, and mitosis. Cell reproduction: binary fission, meiosis, and mitosis. Mitosis. Point 1. It is the most common form of cell division is somatic eukaryotic cells, those that will not become sex cells. Point 2. When mitosis is completed, two genetically identical cells are produced. It is a fundamental process during growth and tissue repair. Mitosis. Interphase. The period between two consecutive mitosis is called interphase. As the cell prepares for reproduction, it duplicates its DNA and takes the necessary internal and external mixtures to successfully undergo the process. A cell divides into two daughter cells that can then divide again, creating a cell of cell division. Prophase. The nuclear envelope starts to break down, gradually dissolving. Chromatin undergoes progressive condensation due to supercoiling, resulting in the formation of chromosomes. The chromosome duplicates and each one moves to one of the cell's ends, where microtubules are formed. Metaphase. The chromosomes align at the cell's equator during metaphase with the fibers of the meiotic spindle. Microtubule attached to each chromosome, centromere of the chromosome. Each chromosome has already duplicated during interphase, so at this point, the two copies separate. Anaphase. It is the curical phase of mitosis because it is when the distribution of the original genetic information occurs. The two groups of chromosome, each are identical, move apart thanks to the microtubule towards opposite poles of the cell. Each set of genetic information concentrates around a centrosome. Teleophase. The microtubule that aided in the migration of the two groups of chromosomes disappear. The chromosomes start to decondense, exposing the DNA and initiating the process characteristics of an independent cell. Two new nuclear envelopes begin to form, each containing the information for each new cell. Cytokinesis. It involves the physical separation of the cytoplasm. A contractile ring composed of actin and myosin microfilaments forms, constructing the cell and creating a structure resembling an hourglass. A cleavage forms, ultimately separating the two daughter cells, each with the same number of chromosomes as the parent cell. Mitosis. Cellular biology. Thank you, Mitosis. We appreciate your support for FahadYounas channel. Please consider sharing, liking, and subscribing to our channel. Thank you for watching my video.